Then you take your hand luggage and go to immigration.
Immigration is where they check my passport, right?
Right. The officer may ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
What should I say?
If you are traveling for fun, you can say, "I'm here for vacation."
Or I'm here for business.
Yes. Then they may ask, "How long will you stay?"
I'll stay for 5 days.
Excellent. They might also ask, "Where will you stay?"
I will stay at the Sunshine Hotel.
Perfect answer.
After immigration, I go to get my bag.
Yes, the baggage claim area.
Oh, yes. I wait for my suitcase.
Right. Sometimes your bag looks similar to others, so you can say, "Excuse me, is this your bag?"
That's polite. I'll remember it.
Now, you have your bag. What's next?
I take a taxi to the hotel.
Great. Let's practice that. At the taxi stand, the driver might ask, "Where are you going?"
To the Sunshine Hotel, please.
Perfect.
What if I want to know the price?
You can say, "How much is it to the Sunshine Hotel?"
How much is it? Got it.
The driver may say, "Around 300 pesos."
Okay. I can say, that's fine, thank you.
During the ride, you might want to chat. You can ask, "How long does it take?"
It takes about 20 minutes.
Excellent. Or the driver might ask, "Is this your first time in Davao?"
I can say, yes, it's my first time. It's beautiful here.
Perfect small talk. Now, you arrive at the hotel. The receptionist greets you, "Good evening. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?"
I say, I have a reservation. My name is Anna Lopez.
Excellent. They may ask, "Can I see your passport, please?"
I say, sure, here you are.
Then they might say, "Please fill out this form."
Oh, yes, I've seen that. I write my name, address, and phone number.
Exactly. After that, they'll say, "Here is your room key."
Or your room number is 205.
Yes. And maybe breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Oh, I love hotel breakfast.
Me too.
What if I need Wi-Fi?
You can ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password, please?"
Easy.
Or if you need something, you can call reception and say, "Hello, this is room 205. Can I have an extra towel, please?"
Perfect.